If you're seeing a Grammarly spelling error and you want to fix it fast, this video will walk you through the easiest way to spot the mistake, review the suggestion, and correct it in just a few clicks. Whether you're writing an email, a blog post, an assignment, or a business document, Grammarly can help you catch spelling mistakes in real time and clean up your text before you hit publish or send. If this tutorial helps, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Let's start with the first step. Open your document and type or paste in your text. Grammarly will automatically scan everything as you write, so you do not need to turn anything on manually. Now look closely for red underlines beneath individual words. That red line is Grammarly's way of telling you that it has detected a spelling mistake, typo, or mechanical error. This is the fastest way to visually locate issues without reading the entire page word by word. Next, move your mouse cursor directly over the red underlined word. As soon as you hover over it, Grammarly will reveal a correction card just above the word. This small pop-up is very helpful because it shows the correct spelling suggestion, and in many cases it also gives a short explanation of why the word was flagged. If you are unsure whether the word is actually wrong, take a second to read the suggestion carefully before making a change. Once you're ready to fix it, simply click the green or bolded suggested word inside the correction card. Grammarly will instantly replace the misspelled word with the correct version for you. This one-click fix is one of the biggest time savers in Grammarly, especially if you are editing a long document and do not want to manually type every correction yourself. You can repeat this process as many times as needed until your text is cleaned up. If you are working on a longer document, there is an even better way to review everything at once. Look for the floating Grammarly widget counter in the bottom right corner of your text box. It may appear green or red depending on how many issues Grammarly has found. Click that counter to open the Sidebar review panel on the right side of your screen. This sidebar organizes your spelling errors into a simple checklist, making it much easier to go through each issue one by one. Using the sidebar is especially useful if your document has many corrections or if you want to make sure you do not miss anything. You can scroll through each suggestion sequentially, review the context, and decide whether to accept the fix or leave the word unchanged. This method keeps your editing organized and helps you move through large amounts of text much faster. Now let's talk about specialized terms, because this is where a lot of people get stuck. Sometimes Grammarly flags brand names, medical terms, technical words, or surnames that are actually correct in your context. If that happens, hover over the red underline and choose Dismiss if you simply want Grammarly to stop flagging that one instance. If you want Grammarly to remember the term in the future, click Add to Dictionary. That tells Grammarly to treat the word as valid going forward, which is perfect for names, industry jargon, and custom vocabulary. This is really important because Grammarly is smart, but it is not always perfect. You should always double-check the suggestions before accepting them, especially when you are writing something specialized or professional. The goal is not just to remove red underlines, but to make sure your final writing is accurate, clear, and still sounds like you. So to recap, the process is simple. First, find the red underlines, then hover to reveal the correction card. Next, click the suggested fix to accept it instantly. If you have a longer document, use the Sidebar review tool to move through errors more efficiently. And if Grammarly marks a correct special term, use Dismiss or Add to Dictionary to keep your document clean without creating new problems. If this video helped you fix a Grammarly spelling error, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.